Hi guys, quick update for you on the Dashcam D600 GKU UK. These guys here are actually electrostatic films, and I think it's important that you have to install these first onto the glass, and then the idea is you stick this guy onto there, so it's, you know, it's got that membrane between. I've just been reading the manual and that's what it's saying, so I'm going to follow that. But yeah, it's always a good idea to read your manual. If you're not sure, look up the term RTFM and you'll know why. So yeah, it's good to just read through. But yeah, it's saying, you know, you have to put that first, so that probably helps with electrostatic and the actual stickiness. And make sure your windscreen is thoroughly cleaned, you know, to get any dust and grease off of it. So also another thing, this dash cam is voice, has some voice messages, so there's no like screen or anything. It just lights up and it'll do voice. So you have to use this via the app, and the app is really quite good because you can do all the recordings and everything from, it's controlled by the app. It has like a wireless, so you need to connect to it by its own like wireless. So yeah, that's another thing. It's all got it clearly in the manual. It's got the download QR code for the app. So yeah, the manual is very well laid out and it's all in good English, so if that helps you. But yeah, again, that's the dash cam, and that's an update to, sometimes these could be cleaning things, but I've just cross-checked and then they're not. They're actually a film that you have to place. So that's just an update on the original video. Thanks.